My name is Joshua Tausas. I work for the town of Carrabassett Valley Trail Crew here in Carrabassett in the summer. This summer we've had a couple different crews working on two different areas in our network. The first crew over at the Sugarloaf Outdoor Center in the Pod 1 has been building some machine-built downhill specific trail for expert riders this summer that we just opened a few weeks ago. Now they're continuing up the hill, up on Hurricane Knoll, continuing with the Lollipop Trail up there. And then we've got our second crew, been working in the Pod 2, if you will, out of the Campbell Field trailhead area off the narrow gauge trail. We've added approximately a mile's worth of hand-built mountain bike specific trail along the gauge. And then we're out here in the Grassy Loops area towards the fall time, adding in some novice terrain for the families and the kids to enjoy. Definitely we're trying to build a full comprehensive trail network for the entire family to enjoy. Earlier in the spring we finished the Oak Knoll Trail, which is a mountain bike specific trail that gets people up to Strattonbrook Hut. You know, we see families up there with their kids, we see hardcore mountain bikers up there, you know, we see older people just using the trail to get to the hut to enjoy that experience. We've had some challenges with the lack of rain this summer actually. The building's been nice, comfortable temps, a little bit in the warmer side, but the lack of rain definitely makes it challenging for us to get that soil to sit down and to seat. We're full-time employees of the town, but we have huge partnerships. The CR-NEMBA New England Mountain Bike Association local chapter here is really the driving force behind having this development happen. The town is funding us through appropriations and through matching of grants. The Ella Bean company gave us $50,000 that went through the Mountain Bike Club this year. The town matched that, and that's actually how we're able to do this work out here today. You know, and we have other partners that bring things to the table that aren't money. This happens to be Sugarloaf's property, and they're allowing us to come out here and build some new trails. So everyone brings a little something to the table that helps this program continue. Plans to build another trail up to the hut to sort of access the Oak Knoll Trail and access the hut, maybe a little bit more mellower grades, a little bit more of an easier uphill sort of climb. And we have more, you know, continued development that can potentially happen at the Outdoor Center. You know, funding is always an issue, so as long as the funding keeps coming in and landowners will allow us to work on their property, we should continue to develop here. If you're looking for more information about the riding in the area, you can go to the CR-NEMBA website and also the Facebook page. We'll give you the most sort of up-to-date trail conditions and activities that we have, volunteer work day, volunteer ride days, barbecues, events like that. You know, if you're around in the valley area, obviously during the summer months, if you want to volunteer for a little bit of time, just get in touch with us through the website and we can point you in the right direction.